This is a super lightning talk because I programmed the transitions in automatically and it's already gone past the introduction slide. So I've been monitoring the access points via SNMP and collecting MAC addresses and storing them in a database. This is an animation of one of the graphs that it shows on its main page that shows the number of users associated with each access point at a given point in time. So you go to the web page and it says here you can use this to kind of get a feeling for where people are and what time it is and what sessions are in progress. And the bipping around is a couple of bugs that I fixed while it was being deployed, since I wrote half of it on the plane here anyway. It's built on top of a previously existing back-end system called Netdisco that goes around and collects all the data from the network. I did some modifications to the back-end, and the main thing that I've done is this front end. So what time is it now? It's starting to get to be nighttime. People are actually leaving, although there are some access points that never go idle. I don't know if that's because there's always someone around or some people leave their laptops associated. This is just about user associations with access points. And then morning will come and we'll see more people start showing up pretty quickly. This frame rate seemed like a good idea while I was making it, but standing up here it feels insanely slow. It's like, okay, and now we're waiting for something interesting to happen. So this was yesterday afternoon, and the BOF in the gold room just started. You can see that just went big. The BOF in the other room, Parisian room up there, just started. And then the BOFs ended, the circles went small, everyone went down to beer and gear. And then again, gets to be nighttime. This doesn't have the bar access point, which actually, I'm very surprised that it doesn't get bigger than it did. People are actually drinking and not geeking at the bar. So overnight last night, things got a lot smaller. I don't know if that's because it wasn't Valentine's Day night or what. Oops, the movie ended before I wanted it to. But so the other application is, see that green dot down there in the back of the room? That's where Randy is associated. That was if you opted in, which was basically emailing me your MAC address, then it would render a map with just your location on it. And then a gratuitous, possibly gratuitous feature is that it also gives RSS feeds of user location data. Okay, thanks.